So here we have the internal view of this flight case. I'm just going to go through a very basic function of adding foam. If you wanted to clean up the view, we can remove the work planes for a moment. And we're just going to assume that we want a 10mm foam lining in each compartment. Obviously, you can do different thicknesses. So we go to foam, find the foam that we want to add, and then click on the face that we want the foam in the order that we want to be placing it in the case. And what this function is doing is when you click on a face, it is automatically sensing how far that foam can go and stopping at the nearest intersection. So we can apply all of those pieces of foam. So that's the 10mm in these compartments done. And then we could choose a different foam thickness for another compartment. Obviously we can mix and match the foam thicknesses in each compartment. That's not a problem, but just for this example, so it's very important that you click on the face that you're trying to apply the foam to. If you accidentally click on the other piece of foam, or this piece of foam, you can see that it's trying to add it to this front face of the existing piece of foam. If that's what you're trying to do, that's fine. But that's not what we're trying to do at the moment. So in this view, I've literally got this tiny little area here that I can access, but I could rotate my view to get a bit more space. And then the bottom face there. So here we have the 25mm, we can apply that. And here, if we go from the top view, you can clearly see how the foam's laid out. And that is basic foam placement